Oh, hi. I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is, I want to say intermediate advanced, but because you can replace all the pullbacks with cramp rolls, this can actually be done at a beginner level as well. So I'm going to teach it as it is, but if you need it a little bit easier, or maybe pullbacks are not really your flavor right now, maybe you're nursing an injury, or maybe you're just not quite there with pullbacks yet, that's totally fine. Or maybe you want to bring this to a more beginner class, replace all the pullbacks with faster cramp rolls, and you're good. I'll show you how as we go on, but today we are doing technique exercise that is comprised of drawbacks and pullbacks, and it's a whole variation sequence, so it'll be super fun. Let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do the thing. Okay, so every single part starts with the same phrase. So it's like an A, B, C, D kind of thing, but it all starts with the same phrase. It starts with step and then 3 drawbacks. Step, brush heel, step, brush heel, step, brush heel, step. So step, spank heel, step, spank heel, step, spank heel, step. So a step on the right, drawback, left, right, left. Unless you're flipping it to the left side, and then it will be step on the left, drawback, right, left, right. So we're going to be working on it on the right side. I usually would go ahead and flip it to the left, but I have a little injury in my left knee, so I won't be demonstrating flipping it to the left side for this video, but I highly encourage you to flip it to that side and practice both sides evenly. That's my disclaimer. Normally I go ahead and go for it and do right and left in the same video, but I can't today. So, all right, so we have step 3 drawbacks. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. That's how every single phrase starts. Now, the first line, you start with that, and now we do something a little bit different. The first one goes ball, change, pull, back, hold, 8. So you start with this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 5, 6, and a 7, hold 8. So it's ball change, 1 pullback. Ball change nice and slow. 5, 6, give it a good plie, da 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 da, hold 8. All right, so let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 8. Cool. So let's try that one more time, and then I will teach you the second part. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Good. Okay, so moving on to part number 2. You leave part number 1 alone. Now we're moving to number 2. It starts with step, spank heel, step, spank heel, step, spank heel, step, just like every other part. But this time we do ball change, 2 pullbacks. Same rhythm, you're just adding that extra pullback and not holding 8 this time. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, E and a 7, E and a 8. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6. Good. Okay, first part and second part. 5, 6, first part, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and second. Good. Okay, so we have ball change, pullback, ball change, 2 pullback. Now, third part. Starts the same. Step, spank heel, step, spank heel, step, spank heel, step. Then, my little cheat sheet. Instead of a ball change, you replace the ball change with a cramp roll, and you still do 2 pullbacks. So basically, we're just adding on to each one. So the first one was ball change, pullback. Second one, you add a pullback. Third one, you add some heels to your ball change. You turn it into a cramp roll. So this sounds like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8. 5 and a 6, E and a 7, E and a 8. So let's try that together. Just the third part from the drawbacks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and 8. Good. One more time just to make sure we got it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, do part 1, 2, and 3, and then I'll add the 4th one. But let's do 1 through 3 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2. Part 3. Good. Okay, part 4. Part 4 is the easiest one to remember because it's just step and 3 drawbacks just like every other time. And now, just do 4 pullbacks. Hardest to execute because you don't have a prep anymore. Your last drawback, your last step out of that last drawback, that's your plie. That's your good plie prep to get into those pullbacks. It's just 4 pullbacks. If you want to take out the first of those 4 pullbacks and replace it with a quick ball change, just because you're still working on these and you need the prep, that's fine. Go for it. You can do 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can do what I will demonstrate when we do the full thing. Just E into 5, E into 6, E into 7, E into 8. So, 4th part, let's try it together. I'm going to do 4 pullbacks, but if you want to replace that first one with a ball change, totally fine. All right, part 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. As you can see, I'm using my arms a lot on my pullbacks. It's because when you have such a small space and you want to keep your pullbacks underneath you, using your arms helps you get up and have more air time. So I highly recommend figuring out a way that your arms work so that it helps you stay up. I like the angel wing, butterfly wing one, but some of my friends like the swingy ones, and that's totally fine. Whatever works best for you. As long as you're letting your arms help you rather than just lay there and weigh you down. So, all right, can we try all 4 parts? And then maybe we'll try it to some music. Let's try all 4 parts. Ready? From part 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. 1, 2, 3, hip roll. Isn't that a fun progression? It's really good for across the floor, too. All right, so let's do it to some music. Let's have some fun. We got this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, E and a 7. So it's a little faster than we were doing, but it's okay, we got this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall we try it one more time? Let's do one more time, but we're gonna do it without music, just for fun. All right? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 8. Awesome. I almost went to go stop the music, but there isn't. Okay. I think it's important to do those as much with music as without. Music helps really keep the time and train the brain to stay on the beat and really become a part of the music. But when you're working on pullbacks, it's actually really important to make sure that you leave the music out sometimes so that you can really hear how you're doing with those sounds. So just one of my favorite things to do in class will be like, okay, this time without music. And then they're like, what? And I'm like, yeah, so I can hear you. And they're like, no. They get all shy. And then I'm like, but you guys can do it. So yeah, hopefully you had a blast learning this with me today. As I said, normally I would do it on the left, but anything where I'm landing first on the left foot is very, very difficult. I I have a knee injury right now, so landing on the right leg, I can gingerly put my left one down, but if I land directly from the air onto the left one, it's a little tough. But hopefully that'll get cleared up soon. As I said before, I had such a blast learning this with you today, so hopefully you did too. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you can just learn one step, and choreography tutorials where you get to put all the things you learn to a fun combination to a really, really cool song. And there's vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff. It's all free tap class and it's all for you on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe and also hit that thumbs up, because it not only helps this channel, but it helps every tap dance channel out there, because it tells YouTube people like tap dance. So make sure that you smash that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up button, but don't actually, because I really value your laptops and your cell phones and your computers, so please don't destroy any buttons, but you know what I mean. All right, so I had a blast with you today. Thank you so much, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.